was the grossest thing the earth could have thrown at me. Now today we will be microwaving a crunch bar. You sounded like iCarly in that.
Yeah, thanks.
Anyway, people, thank you for viewing this video. Today we'll be reading to you the Farmer's Almanac. Yet again, from our story time. Here we are, everybody. Kyle, you have to check on that every so often.
Don't worry, nothing's happening yet.
Okay, Barnaker's Garden, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Much more dramatically inclined was John Bartman, a Quaker farmer who established a magnificent garden along the banks of Pennsylvania Schuylkill River. Thomas Jefferson and George Washington, who knew a thing or two about growing plants, visited the garden often. So did Benjamin Franklin, in whose honor Bartman, a great botanist, named a rare plant. Bartman's garden proudly called itself America's oldest botanic garden, and its 45 acres are a stunning oasis in the heart of Philadelphia. And if you would bring it in closer, there's the garden right up there for story time.
Let's dance.
No, we'll do that after.
Dance.
So, Hever Castle, Hever, England. Kyle, would you read to them, please? Why?
Products praise the Wall Street Journal. 100% risk-free offer. 40-day home trial. Cheap, ready to use compared to hearing aids costing $1,000 or ducks. High quality hearing aids priced for less than the national average. Call info if you want to call 1-800-782-6316. What the heck? Hey, get out back of here! Ah!
Hey, stop it, punk! What are you doing? Run! Roar!
Go to that room.
Oh, pins and Freeze it, punk! We're losing the music.
No, not yet. Yes. Yes. We found something, folks. Go. Ew, look. It's bubbling.
Bring it out, Kyle.
Why are you standing like that?
Oh, dang. Oh, dang.
I know.
Oh. Oh, man.
That's like my dog Crab.
Oh.
My dog Crab. My dog Crab.
Birds.
My dog Crab. My dog Crab in my pooping. Oh. All right, we're gonna run around for your enjoyment.
Nastiest picture ever.
Bye, Lego stuff.
Son, Benny Hill.
Die!